Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy on eBay using a credit card the best way. This is especially useful if you're sourcing products, buying inventory, or testing suppliers for your Shopify store. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is visit ebay.com, and if you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. This is important because without logging in, you won't be able to make any purchases, save items for later, or communicate with sellers if you have questions about the product. Once you're on the homepage and logged into your account, head over to the search bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll type in the item you are interested in buying. It can be anything you like, from electronics to clothing, or maybe a specific brand you've been thinking about. If you're a Shopify store owner, this is a great time to search for products you plan to resell, replacement stock, or even packaging materials. Once you've typed in the name of the item, press Enter and you'll be presented with a range of options. eBay will display a list of results based on your search. To proceed, browse through the results and find the item that suits your needs. You can also use filters like price range, condition, location, or buy it now to narrow things down and save time. Click on the item to view more details. This will take you to the product page where you can check out all the specifics about the item, like the seller's rating, shipping information, and maybe even some customer reviews. It's always a good idea to read through these details to make sure the item fits exactly what you're looking for, especially if you're buying for resale and need reliable quality and delivery times. After you've reviewed the product details and are satisfied with your choice, it's time for the next step. On the product page, you'll notice a button that says Buy It. Now go ahead and click this button. This option is ideal when you want to purchase immediately without waiting for an auction to end. Doing so will take you to the purchase page. Keep in mind that clicking Buy It Now commits you to buying the item, so make sure you're ready to go ahead with the purchase at this stage. Double-check the price, shipping cost, and estimated delivery date before moving forward. Now, if you haven't already added a card to your account, this is the point at which you'll want to do so. You'll need to click on Add New Card, which will prompt you to enter your credit card details. Here's a quick tip. Make sure you have your card handy to ensure you input all the details correctly and avoid any checkout delays. Enter the necessary information like the card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Once done, simply click on Done to confirm adding the new card. eBay securely stores this information, making future purchases even faster. As soon as you successfully add your card, you can use it to complete your purchase. Review all the details one last time to make sure everything looks right, including the shipping address and payment method, and then confirm the purchase. Congratulations! You've now successfully bought an item on eBay using your credit card. Remember, this method is secure and is one of the most straightforward ways to make purchases on eBay, whether you're shopping for personal use or sourcing products for your Shopify store. Happy shopping!